ऑडियो shorthand.com में आपका स्वागत है। 5 seconds. Start. So far as our experience goes, we never have the opportunity to come across such activities organized on behalf of the government. I do not know whether there is any such activity anywhere. On the contrary, there are certain measures taken under the Preventive Detention Act to fight the workers and to pelt stones at the meetings of the workers, and also to employ police to lathi charge the workers. That is the sort of the welfare activities they have been doing. But what we demand is that the government should see that the plantation owners are asked to pay higher wages to the workers and to improve their conditions of living. Now there are one room tenements, but the workers want 3-room tenements, and they have not so far been provided with such facilities. I understand that the government have got some idea of having modern tenements in the estates, but so far as nothing has been done, we suggest that a part of these profits should be utilized for giving educational facilities to the children of the estate laborers. Also, the wages of the workers should be increased, and all sorts of facilities should be provided to the estate laborers. That is what I have to say. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I welcome this bill, and I am very glad that the Honorable Minister has given the assurance that this increased cess will be utilized mainly for the improvement of the living conditions of the workers in these plantations. But I beg to submit, sir, that the price of tea is rising in the English markets, and I suggest that as good businessmen we should realize, and our government should realize, that if the price goes up beyond a certain limit, the consumption will go down. We should not adopt a narrow policy and allow the price to go up by leaps and bounds. Of course, it does give some profit to the local planters and probably to our government directly or indirectly in the shape of income tax earned from these plantations. But as I said before, this is a short-sighted policy. The result will be that in the long run, if the price of tea goes beyond a certain limit, the consumer will not be able to adjust it within his family budget, and therefore the consumer will reduce his consumption of tea. There are other countries also which are taking up the production of tea, and we are finding every day new competitors in the tea trade. Thank you.